Hi, welcome back, and I think we're going to be able to wrap this up pretty quick. So the first thing that I'm looking at, and it's just because I'm picky, right, is that the spacing between my two label legends isn't as spiffy as I would like. So I'm just going to go into Spotlight, Label Legend Manager, and I'm going to look at the side caret going this way. I'm going to edit my 2D layout, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a sweeping select of my dimmer number, and I'm just going to slide it over a little bit. Just like one click, maybe two clicks. I'm going to do the same thing with my channel number, the circle and the text. I'm going to slide it over a click, maybe another click. Just to pull it in closer, I'll say exit the symbol. They look a lot better. They look a lot closer, and I'm just being picky. But now you're thinking, oh my gosh, Todd, I have to go through and put in all of those unit numbers, and I have to count the lights, and I'm going to miscount. The lighting pipes, the symbols that we made for our lighting pipes have some features that help us with that. Let's scroll out and look at our first one here. Now we put in unit number 1. Typically, just like our acting areas, by USITT standards anyway, we number lighting pipes from stage left to stage right. Different people feel differently about it, but I'm going to show you that, right? So if we select the pipe, you will see that we have some options, and it says numbering direction from right to left, which would be this way across. And if I go from select left to right and then say auto number, when I click, you'll see that it automatically numbers. Did I do that wrong? Left to right. No, I wanted right to left. By default, it does it the correct way. Let's go back down and say auto number, right? And so now it automatically numbers those pipes. Even though I have numbers in there, it will recount. And I'm right to left. I say auto number, and look, it automatically assigns all of those numbers, those unit numbers, and I can just select that electric auto number, and it's assigned all of the unit numbers to that. And let's go here, and let's say auto number. I think it did it. I think I hit that right. I may have had a fat-fingered mouse click. And then if I go here and scroll down, we'll say auto number, all of our numbers. And if I insert another light in here, let's go to my lighting fixtures. Let's say that I grab another 36 degree and I put it in here, right? So now I've added that light. And if I were to go through and say auto number, it will add that, it'll count that new light in. So if we're adding or taking away lights or whatever we might be doing, I'm just going to do a Control Z, Control Z, Control Z to get that old, that stray light out of there, right? So poof, you've drawn your first light plot, right? So that's the end of labeling and label legend. We may come back to it some more as we move along, but for now, it gets the information visible on the drawing, and you can work with it. That's it for now. Thanks.